Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Mechen M3, a multifunctional digital audio player that promises a lot for its price. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Mechen M3 is marketed as more than just an MP3 player, it's an all-in-one entertainment machine. It boasts a 64GB internal storage, expandable to 128GB with a micro SD card, allowing you to carry a vast library of music, videos, photos, and even ebooks. However, there's a catch. It supports only a limited range of file formats, which could be a deal-breaker for some. Design-wise, the Mechen M3 impresses with its premium feel. It sports a glass and metal build, making it both durable and stylish. It comes in 5 different color options, adding a touch of personalization. The 2.4-inch touchscreen, while small, is functional for navigating menus, although it struggles a bit under direct sunlight. Setting up the Mechen M3 is fairly straightforward. You'll need to organize your files into specific folders when transferring them from your PC, which can be a bit cumbersome if you have a large library. Navigating through menus is intuitive initially, but it becomes more cumbersome when dealing with extensive lists of tracks or ebooks. Sound quality on the Mechen M3 is decent, leaning towards a neutral profile with a slight emphasis on treble. However, the in-box headphones provided are subpar, so I'd recommend using your own for a better audio experience. There's no built-in equalizer, so you're stuck with the default sound profile. Now, what sets the Mechen M3 apart are its additional features. It includes an FM radio with recording capabilities, which is a neat feature for those who enjoy listening to live broadcasts. It also doubles as a voice recorder, allowing you to capture audio from external devices via a 3.5mm cable, though syncing can be tricky in some scenarios. Battery life on the Mechen M3 is reasonable, offering several hours of playback depending on your usage. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to pair it with wireless headphones or speakers, which is a plus for those who prefer cord-free listening. Wrapping up, the Mechen M3 is a budget-friendly option for anyone looking for a versatile digital audio player. Its premium design and expansive feature set make it stand out in its price range. However, its limited file format support and small touchscreen might be limiting for some users. Would I recommend the Mechen M3? If you're on a tight budget and primarily need a device for playing MP3s, this could be a solid choice. Just keep in mind its limitations when it comes to file compatibility and screen size. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.